Hey everybody, welcome to another weekly update with myself, Sarah Lean. Stay tuned where I'm going to be talking about Azure news and some of the stuff that I've been up to this week as well. So in terms of Azure news, we have had some announcements and some things I want to talk about. One of the first things I want to talk about is Azure Advisor. We now have a recommendation within Azure Advisor that talks about helping deploy the right resources in your Windows Virtual Desktop or WVD environment to the closest kind of deployment location for your users to help improve connectivity and obviously productivity as well. So if you're running a WVD environment in Azure, make sure you're checking out Azure Advisor for some recommendations and see if there's anything you can actually leverage better with that as well. We've also seen a new virtual machine series or SKU launch, and that is around constraining your virtual CPU. So some workloads we recognise that software licensing costs are attributed towards the amount of CPU that you have within that virtual machine, and some of those workloads don't need the amount of virtual CPU that you might have to go to in order to get RAM, network connectivity, storage, IO performance, all of that. So these new virtual machine SKUs allow you to ramp down your virtual CPUs while still having RAM and storage and IO and all those kind of things that you actually need, and then hopefully reducing your software licensing costs. So what I'll do is I'll pop links in the description box below where you can check out more information about that and how you can leverage that if that's something that would be useful within your environment. Now, I don't often talk about developer things because I'm not a developer and it's not really my comfort zone, but I know this week has been the .NET conference and we've had an announcement around .NET 5 being released. We're seeing some support rolling out within the Azure App Service to support .NET 5, so I'm assuming that people that are working within that space are excited about those announcements this week and also the functionality that's being released across Azure. In terms of my news, this week I am off today actually. I have booked some annual leave, so I'm off today and I don't go back to work till Wednesday. I'm going to be doing some chilling. It's been a busy period for me, so I'm looking forward to not being controlled by my Outlook calendar and constantly having to be in meetings. So yes, and it's also my birthday during this period, so I will be trying to celebrate that as much as we can in Corona times. But yeah, I'm off at the moment, so I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet if I don't ramble too much. But I just wanted to catch up with the Azure news and obviously the weekly cadence that I've been doing with these videos. And as you'll have seen if you've subscribed to my channel, if you're not subscribed, please do. I released a video on Wednesday. I want to have a Wednesday as a little tip video that's going to be released for the rest of the year at least. And it'll just kind of give you some quick information and a quick glance at something that I've found useful myself. This week I released a tip about how to assess your SQL Server to understand how you can go forward with your PaaS solution if that's the way you want to go. So we have tools that can help you assess your SQL Server workloads, whether it be an on-prem workload, whether it be residing in another cloud, and help you with that journey and help you navigate the right path towards a PaaS solution for your SQL. So if you haven't already, definitely check that out. I will put a little card up in a corner, don't know which corner it's going to be in. So yeah, definitely check that out. Video, to be honest, has been my thing this week as well. I've been looking at how our team at work can actually do better with video platform. We do have our own YouTube channel. Hopefully you've checked that out. If not, please do check it out and subscribe as well to that channel. We do release some stuff on a Friday normally in terms of the AZ update show, where the guys live stream some of the news and have a bit of banter with the community that are live on YouTube. So If you haven't checked that out, then please do. But what we're going to be doing is trying to grow that channel more, trying to put more content out there, try and answer some of the questions that you might have, and speak to some of our product team within Azure, and actually do some interviews, do some more Azure Unblogged videos on there. So I've got a couple signed up myself that will hopefully get released before the end of the year. So definitely a channel to be checking out, and let me know any feedback, any thoughts. I am totally open to ideas. I'm really enjoying the engagement that I'm getting with video. I'm enjoying playing with that medium as well, so hopefully I can do more with my own channel and obviously with the team's channel as well. But like I said, I'm off today, so I'm not going to talk too long because I want to get back to lounging on my couch and binging on some Netflix. So hope you're all staying safe, and I will catch you next week.